In this video, we'll be talking about Pionex, how it works. We'll be creating our own bot and a few other things around the exchange. We'll go ahead and check out all the awesome bonuses, how you can create your own bot, how you can mimic other people's bots and so on. Basically, in the last few days, I've been coding a lot. I've been trying to figure out how to have a good trading strategy that is absolutely automated. So I've been trying to create my own indicators, and I actually have been successful in doing so. I've created one really good indicator that works really well for me. I've backtested it. It works really well. So the idea here is we'll be using Pionex app to have a very user-friendly interface. And actually I managed to create and have every time I have an alert going, just like so, I will have every time my criteria is met, I'll have an alert. So you can create all of that very user friendly, a lot easier than in any other exchange, pretty much on the Pionex platform. So how do you do that? First thing you want to do is use the link in the description down below, sign up. There's a lot of bonuses. So some of them are only for my community, 2K bonuses for as an airdrop, also 2K bonuses for newbies, and so on and so forth. If we go on the platform right here, what you see is, and if you're new, this will be very interesting. You basically have futures bots, which are very noob friendly. You have 16 free built-in trading bots. You have a grid trading bot, as you can see right here. You have a DCA bot, rebalancing bot, other bot. 379 coins and tokens are available with just 0.05 trading fees, which is very good for botting. Users in 100, yes, very good. Pretty much every famous YouTuber, crypto YouTuber, have been talking about them. They're a serious exchange and they're going really hard right now. They also have different options, but one of the things I want to show you is the Pionex GPT, or basically how you can create your own strategy with this bot. You can also backtest it to see if it works, and you can automate it after that on Pionex. So let's say what is the 1, 2, 3 rule? Here it is. It creates a strategy 1, 2, 3, and it says, well, I'll be a little bit down with it. So can you modify something? For example, can you give me a grid strategy? It says what parameters. Okay, now we're up 23%. Now you can backtest this strategy by just clicking here, or you can actually use or you can actually start using it on Pionex. So the next thing you want to do is you want to go here and you can find ways to earn, right? You have, obviously this video is not financial advice, but there's different bots. They have earning bots, do investments, easy earn, and robo advisor. And by the way, all of this you can trade on demo, so you can see if it works on demo. You can forward test it after back testing it and see how it goes. Pretty much you can also combine all of this information with some information you have on ChatGPT. For example, if you go on ChatGPT right here, you can create a divergence bot. Let me just type it in. So we'll type in create a CDV divergence Pine script indicator, just like so. And now it will understand the logic behind CDV divergence. I'm using ChatGPT 4 for this, and it will create everything automatically. Look at this. Creating cumulative data, CVD divergence indicators. CVD is basically like RSI. And you write out the code and actually add it as a criteria for my code, which is insane. That's very good. Oh, Solana futures fell by 10%. Solana is 79 bucks. That's insane. Yeah, it creates, as you can see, it understands where the highs and lows are, and we'll add them into our bot. And you can also find different bots from people that are already working, and this is something that I'm interested in doing. If there's enough interest, I can actually create my own bot, and I want to If in the future there's copy trading, you can actually copy my trades right from it. But yeah, do investments is a robo advisor. It also has the robo advisor. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. You can actually copy some of the trading bots right here. There's a Greece strategy that has a 56% APY. Here, there's sideways strategies, bullish and bearish strategies. So it's you can also use TWAP if you want to basically DCA, but in a smarter way. So basically, it has a better cost amortization process. But yeah, all of this will be available. I can imagine what can happen by when we're building on top of this platform. So many things. It's very easy to use because yes, you build a really cool strategy with ChatGPT, Pionex GPT. What do you do then? Well, you have to automate it. Yeah, but you have to pay like 300 bucks on some platforms. You have it for free on Pionex. Plus, you have the exchange. And imagine what will happen when you have more copy trades, when you have more options with Pionex GPT. When you have more options with ChatGPT, it will take over the market. Again, do your own due diligence. You can find all the info in the description down below. Love you to all my heart. See you next one. Bye.